About to paint or stain your timber fence? If you want it to last, you need more than a brush and a tin. Come on in and we'll show you how it's done. Here's what you actually need to get it right. Start with get going to kill any moss or mould on the surface, then choose your finish. Aquamax if you want a solid colour stain, or go for a paint like TimberMax or MultiMax, all made for New Zealand conditions. You'll also need a brush, gloves and safety glasses, a drop sheet, a stirrer and a bucket. And finally, a broom with tough bristles. Now we've got everything we need, it's time to get to work. Step 1.
Spray Get Gone directly onto any visible mould, moss or lichen. It's a prep and maintenance product that kills the spores at the root.
Step 2. Let the timber dry completely before you stain or paint. Wet timber won't hold the product and leads to peeling. Step 3. Whether you're using Aquamax, TimberMax or MultiMax, stir thoroughly in a bottom to top motion to ensure the pigments and resins are evenly mixed. Step 4. Use long, even brush strokes following the grain. Apply in dry weather, ideally above 5 degrees and before direct sun hits the surface. Step 5. 2 coats will give you the longest life. Allow at least 2 hours between coats or follow the label. Prep it right, paint it once. And enjoy a finish that lasts through the seasons. Get the full range of MasterMax prep and paint products available from Mitre 10.